Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to edit Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and tap on menu option and tap on double click to switch your Facebook page. Okay, then switch your page. Click on top left profile and click on edit. Okay, then edit your profile, then tap on this option, bio option, then edit and edit bio, then customize your, okay, then change and save. And details edit and details, add WhatsApp number, add email, add service area and always open, and any option add category page digital creator and change and save. That's all to edit Facebook page. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.